Pulled everything apart. Got the double point sided motor. The spark plug side is over here. Sorry, I don't get all blurry. That's that fast hum. And then you can see the click, 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 click. That side's for the fuel pump right there. So I just cleaned the points, and that's the fuel pump side. That'll be the pulse going to the fuel pump, and then this will go over to the. It's moving so fast that it looks like it's constant on, but that'll be for the spark plug. So both these points were very corroded and gross. They're all cleaned up now, and looks like it's running well. That's what we're looking for. Everything's been assembled back, put back in the housing. I usually test to make sure that these didn't get boogered up in any way, shape, or form as I'm putting the housing back together. But just a little quick reference on it. As you can see, for what the points inside the motor do. Without this running, which is your fuel pump, most anything's not going to happen. You can get away with the other points being dead on the spark plug side because the glow plug will always be heated up during the process. But you ain't got no fuel clicking like this, ain't nothing going to work. So those points have always got to be cleaned. Alright, final assembly for the Eberspacher BN4 later model 2-point driving system off of the fan. So everything's put back together. I put a different fan on because one of the blades on this guy got boogered up through previous owner or shipping or something. It was like that. So I got rid of that and put on a nicer one. With everything assembled, once again, before I put it and join it back to the can, I need to make sure that everything is working and nothing got boogered up. So here we go. Quick test of the points. Make sure that they're still going. That's the pump side. And this is the spark plug side. That's it. It's easy as that. Just a quick check, making sure, like I said, to make sure that everything, because I've assembled them before and had the points cleaned and put them all back together and they didn't work. So I always check as I'm putting this back together, making sure everything's clean with acetone and putting lube only where lube is needed so that it doesn't get on the points or anything like that. But this one seems to be running fairly well and is ready to be joined back in the can, and hopefully it'll fire right up.